In today's video, I will walk you through how to add text on charts in MetaTrader 5. Start by making sure you're looking at the chart where you want to place your text. You can use any symbol and any time frame, so simply choose the chart you're currently working with. Before continuing, next, look toward the toolbar at the top of the platform. You'll see several drawing tools and icons available there. Find the icon that looks like a capital T. This is the text tool. If you don't spot it immediately, look through the group of drawing tools where you'll usually find items such as lines, channels, and shapes. Move your cursor along the toolbar until you locate the T icon. Once you've found it, click the T icon one time to activate the text tool. After selecting it, move your cursor over the chart. Your cursor will change, letting you know the text tool is ready to use. Now move your cursor to the exact location where you want your text to appear. You can position it anywhere on the chart that makes sense for your notes. When you've chosen the location, click once on the chart. After clicking, a text input box or a properties window will appear, depending on your platform settings. Find the text field and type the message you want to display on the chart. Enter the wording exactly as you'd like it to appear. When you've finished typing, confirm your entry by clicking OK or by pressing Enter, depending on how the window appears on your platform. Your text will immediately be added to the chart at the location you selected. If you decide the text needs to be in a different position, click on the text to select it. Then drag it to the new location on the chart. If you want to change how it looks, open its properties again. From there, you can adjust the font size, change the color, select a different font, or add a background if those options are available. Once you've finished making your changes, confirm them and return to the chart. Your updated text will remain in place, making it easy to keep notes exactly where you need them. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.